what is up, everybody? It's your boy XX Jailbreak TXX back at again with another video. Today we are actually going to be playing Jailbreak with my cousins, and what are we gonna do? I need.
We're gonna
not get
No.
me a copper key. I know that. I don't want that because it's too hard.
It takes too long.
Yeah. They made it easier.
Why is he trying to arrest me?
So we're gonna have to rob the
They
bank
made it
and
easier,
all
but
that
like
stuff.
still, I
I
can't.
say money for key. That way he wouldn't rest. Money for key.
The next thing you know, he's like, ugh. Next thing you know, he's like, yeah, and then he arrests you.
No, you can't.
Why not? He's a cop.
Can't. He says it has to wait 42 seconds.
You gave him money.
I did.
I still need guns.
I got you, bro. Let me see if there's a helicopter up there, so then I could actually. Yeah, heli. There's a heli.
All right, I'm at the
I'm gonna
prison.
take the car
What car? Where's Chris? Where's Chris?
at the prison. I just escaped now.
I'm in the helicopter.
Chris.
Chris, you're down here. I got you, bro. Get in.
I'm hella laggy.
Get in. Hurry up. Where are you?
This is what I see.
Chris, hurry up. Shift, dummy.
Okay, there.
I got you.
Where are you? Go. I need guns. Go to the base.
Yeah, good.
Nah, what you think we gonna do? We gonna go home?
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Wait, we don't have home.
Well, we gonna get one. I only have 14 more Robux. I'm gonna actually make a group as soon as I reach 100. So, stay tuned for that, guys.
This is how much money I have. 2302.
I have 31,744.
I have 3,513.
Get in. I do not know.
I'm going. Oh, no. I'm so not gonna.
Bruh, it logged me out.
Wow,
Wow.
Chris. Wow. No. Wow.
It's hella laggy.
Got you, bro. Since it's just me and you, let's just get the Lambo.
Yeah.
But Chris doesn't usually play with us. That's why it always finds him out. That's the thing I don't like. So, got my clothes. Oh, great! One of my friends joined me. I'm gonna pick him up.
We could either get the what's it called?
Kelly.
Yeah, the heli or the.
I'm so laggy. Hurry.
Or we could
Where you
get,
at?
we could get the Tesla.
You could get. Oh yeah, huh? We haven't used the Tesla in a long time.
Do you think I care?
Wow.
What?
That was
What?
weird. Should we get in the
What?
heli? Or not? Okay.
No, Tesla can't make slight turns. Let's just get in the alley. Running. Bruh, I hate when it does that. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get to the heli. Watch, by the time we get there, it's already gonna disappear. See? By the time where are you?
I'm where the Lambo is.
See what I mean? By the time we get there, it already disappears.
Bro, can you send me money?
Oh,
No! I
alright.
ain't gonna send you money. I'm trying to save it for the Bugatti, even though I have hella little. See, it sent you that's the thing I don't like, so you can't play with us. I know what we should do, the Meep City one!
Oh yeah, the Meep City video.
Should we do it right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's just dug out. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, there you go. We're joining Meep City. My cousins and me. Yeah, it doesn't sign him out. Wow. Just wow. Forgot to change it. I need to change Maverick. I don't like Maverick. I want my own.
You look cool like
I
that.
want my own. I want my own. I want this thing. Only if this thing were two. No, 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 no. My thing's laggy. I need to change Maverick. I don't like Maverick. Oh, dang it.
Why do you buy it in the first place?
No, I need to change Maverick. Like, no clothes. Let me out of this. Actually, I'm just gonna change my clothes here. Yeah, edit avatar. Yeah,
A girl.
I think it's a goldie folk. Oh, that looks cool.
No. Nah, I don't like that.
You don't like it, but I do. I'm actually gonna move this over here. Where can I move it?
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm gonna change mine.
It's showing up your face. I don't want it to.
That.
This, yes,
It's
completely
they
good.
love me. That's why they want to see me.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they. Whoa.
Mm.
Sis, how do I look?
I'll take this matches.
How do I look?
Oh,
like
it does.
that?
Yep.
Good.
Now let's see this. But, yeah.
And
that's
now I
the-
need to change my. It's still charging.
No, I don't like that. No, I don't like it.
Should I put Nike on? Yeah.
We need plus for that? No. Okay, that's my avatar now. My avatar looks cool, right? Right?
No. Yeah, 100%. Pikachu! I hate you.
Go to.
Bro, I'm gonna change my character into what it used to be until you change it.
Really? I literally had to teleport to him when my house was right. What? Water. I need to water them.
You're dying.
Water. 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 Bruh! Water. Water. No, do it. Already 8 minutes into this video. Wow.
I'm definitely gonna change my. Where are you, Jesus?
I'm over here.
Oh, bro, I'm right. You're my neighbor.
Really?
Yeah. Look. Check outside. I'm your neighbor.
Wait.
I'm changing my clothes. No, I'm good. Alright, I'm changing my clothes.
More. Oh. Hey, change it to mine.
No.
Yeah, it looks cool.
No, let's change it to whatever I want. I could change mine into whatever I want.
Oh, dang, that looks cool.
Told you. Wanna copy me? You can.
No, I already got my own clothes. I think it looks cool. I wish I had the hair. I wish I had that. That. I would have been rocking it.
There you go. I want that. And then. Oh shoot! I have a tiny tail now.
Oh, dang it.
I'm gonna look at the panties. Whoa, no.
They're dancing. Dancing.
Guys, do you want to look at me? Look.
How do you create a party?
Take a look at me.
No.
It's fun, huh? I mean, if I was a grown-up, that would be cooler.
No.
Guys, I want to go to your houses.
Bro, you know where Jesus' house is at?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna water my
Dress up,
pants.
meat.
Hey, what's up, Jesus?
This is, oh no, oh my god, my tail. Oh no, what are you, who, this is, why are you dancing?
I'm gonna dance with him.
That's not the dance I'm doing. Look, this is the dance I'm doing. Look, you're supposed to go here, okay? And you're supposed to put... No, that's not the slash. Slash, E, dance. And then look, you're dancing. Yeah, and a boy.
What's up, girl?
Yo, what you doing? You trying to get up on me, huh? You trying to get up on me, huh? You can't. Woohoo, we're dancing.
Wow.
I'm gonna stop dancing.
Hey, you guys want to take a pic?
What?
You guys want to take a pic?
Mm.
Same clothes?
No. Oh yeah, you should copy me.
No, I think you
My
should
clothes are
come.
better.
Look at my clothes.
No, bro, look at mine.
Mine
Nah.
is more swaggy.
Comment down below whose clothes you actually like better, mine and my cousin Chris, or Luis's clothes.
mine.
I think it's ours. I vote
No,
for
it's
mine.
mine, 100% mine.
No, it's 100% mine.
Do you not see my swag?
Wait, Jesus, where you at?
Chris, you know where Jesus' house is right here, this blue house, right?
Yeah.
I'm right here, next to him. I'm his neighbor. I'm gonna
Oh.
decorate my house.
I'm gonna go inside of Seuss's house.
I forgot, I was gonna decorate my house too.
Why?
I have a jumpy castle.
Damn, you.
How'd you get it?
By buying it.
How'd you buy it?
What?
I'm sleeping in your meat. In your meeps.
It's a bath party.
Oh, I'm gonna have one of these fidget boxes. Give me them fidget spinners.
You better not take my fidget spinner.
I did. Woo, meat spinner. Yeah.
I'm gonna play. You guys want to play some games with your meats? Let's do a competition.
Games.
I want to dress up my meat.
I'm doing Starball, Obi.
Wait, where do you go on that? I forgot.
Dress up your meat. I want to dress my meat up.
That's my dress. Game. Starball.
No, I want this one. Yeah, I'm level 2.
Level 1. Level 1.
No, I already did that. It's boring.
Let's do a competition.
No.
Yeah. What level are you? Are you still on level 1? I mean 2?
Yes.
Alright, I'm joining you.
Meep.
Level
Kid.
2.
Kid. I'm on this level, level 5.
No.
Wait, how come we're on different ones?
Whoa. No.
This was we're on a different one than you.
Let's just do different ones.
That's weird. Oh, that's why.
Unfortunately, guys, we're gonna have to save it for next time. I'll see y'all next time.